Hi everyone, look at this electronic cleaning brush. It's from this brand LOVEWE and it's really amazing. It comes in 7 different heads. Those are the different brushes that it comes with. Some of them are sponges and wool and some of them for scrubbing. This is for the corner. It's amazing. So let's open it. This is the manual. This is the extendable handles and you can use it without the extendable handles. This is the head. So you can basically just use it like this on short for the sinks. And those are all the heads. And this is a hanging tool where you can hang it on the wall. This scrubbing and this Velcro so you can hang those different heads on it. And this is a charger. It comes in a USB-C special charger, and those are other scrubbers. This is for the corner as well. So this is the brush. I installed this sponge on it, and this is where you switch it on here, and it has 3 powers, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th time it stops. Okay, this is where you charge it in here. So let's do some cleaning. I have already applied some detergent and you can switch it on. So this is the first way of using it on short. Nice and clean. Okay, the second handle, we can use this and we install it from here. We just twist it in, and if we want it longer so we can clean the shower walls, we extend it 3rd time and we use it in the shower. Here I'm gonna use it in the shower wall. Look how amazing this is. It's foaming like soap here as well as it goes. Okay, nice. Using this head for the bathtub down here. Awesome. This is a really amazing tool, so why not use technology to help you around the house to clean up your house? I hope you like it and thank you for watching.